smell. She can't see. Find the moments of bad vision. Oh, she can't see. Even with her glasses on, she can't see.
Which side is more clear? Top left, bottom right, or both similar?
Thank you. What are we doing today? LASIK procedure.
LASIK on both eyes.
On both
We're
eyes.
going to make a flap on the left and a flap on the right. Look straight ahead. Yep. Now you're going to stare right at that green light again right here. Beautiful. Okay, my